How are you, Jyoti?
Yes, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And what about
Great.
yours?
I'm doing great too. I think you improved a lot. I have seen your previous videos, and now it's a great improvement.
Thank you.
Nice.
Actually,
You're
my
welcome.
first and second conversation that I felt
Mm-hmm.
so nervous. I don't know
Yeah, yeah.
how I handled
Mm-hmm.
that
But
14
you did
minutes.
a great job.
Thank you.
It
You
was really nice.
inspired me to start conversation videos actually.
Thank you.
Actually,
Thank you.
I hadn't any guts to start a
Mm-hmm.
conversation video and post on social media. This is actually, I believe I couldn't do that, but you
Mm-hmm.
told me you should go ahead and start your
Yes.
conversation videos. I'm
Yeah.
really grateful to you for that.
No, no problem. Thank you. And that's all about your efforts, your passion. It's just about you. Yeah. It's great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And okay, for the sake of my viewers, could you please
Uh-huh.
introduce yourself? I know, but
Sure, sure. Yeah, definitely. My name is Ravi. I'm from
mhm,
Andhra Pradesh. I did my schooling, everything in Andhra Pradesh itself. Schooling, college, university, everything. Yeah, I started off my career as a translator, French and English, in the
okay.
year 2017. And then I worked as a soft skill trainer for Narayana School. It's in Andhra Pradesh.
Mm-hmm,
And then I worked as a soft skill trainer for a university. It's in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh again. And currently, I work as a communication trainer in Hyderabad. It's Telangana state. It's about my work journey. Uh, I love listening to music, dancing, choreography, especially, and making YouTube videos, connecting with people, and interacting with them, sharing their experiences about English and other stuff. Yeah, going out sometimes with my friends. It's not like often I do. It's once in a while that I prefer doing that. Yeah,
okay.
this is a brief and yeah,
Yes.
thanks.
Okay, good to know about you. And would you like my introduction? Do you want?
Obviously, obviously, Jyoti. Yeah,
Okay.
you go ahead.
Okay. My name is Jyoti. I'm from Kerala and I'm a homemaker. Apart from that, I run a YouTube channel by the name of English with Joe, where I upload spoken English videos and conversations to help
Great.
the learners and improve myself as well. This is
Hmm.
pretty much about me. Yes. Thank you.
Great. Even the reason when you ask, right, like I have this kind of interest and all, why I suggested you because it's for our self improvement.
Yes.
First thing, we learn a lot. The
Yes.
second thing is people will get something from ourselves, right? Be it
Yes.
speaking with people, right, connecting one on one, or maybe someone who watches our videos, be it audience or anything. So it's like a win-win situation. We learn, people learn from us, and at the same time, we try to know the areas where we are making mistakes or how we are doing good something, both positives and the areas to be improved. And this is how anybody can learn. And I suggest the same thing to one of the learners who joined in my session. He's from Bangladesh, I think. He asked me, sir, I have the same issues. I said, no, you just start something, be it a channel or something, and you try to post the videos. You try to, I mean, assess, analyze the previous videos and the current videos, and then you check how you progress, you know, drastically. That's how anybody can improve. Nowadays, I think by using the technology and other stuff, we can do miracles, I feel. So
Yes.
why somebody will stop us just explore things when we have the opportunities, right?
Because
That's the reason.
in this
Yeah, please go ahead.
technological era, we can explore many things related to
Yeah,
English because there is
yes.
a lot of free app and
Hmm.
AI apps
Yes,
and
yes.
have to, but the main thing we have to speak with someone is the only
Hmm.
way to improve
Yeah,
ourselves.
true, true, true.
Then I got first I searched those grammar related videos and how to converse with people I didn't know, but how to
Mm-hmm.
start, how to take that conversation, and how to end up
Yes.
the conversation. I didn't get any idea. But when
Mm-hmm.
I start a conversation with hesitation, but
Mm-hmm.
eventually I got
Yes.
the idea. Okay, how to deal with.
Great, great. As I mentioned, I saw your first video right there. It looked like you fumbled and all. And now your fluency is really good. You are changing little by little, and that's the change. That's the progress that we can check and see within ourselves. So I think if you make 10 or 20 or 50 videos, you will be a good fluent person and you will have a lot of confidence and you can make any videos, random videos, and you can speak on any topic flawlessly. This is the advantage of speaking with random people.
Because from that experience we can deal with whatever it is, the topic, whatever it is,
Yeah,
we can
yes,
deal with
yes,
that. We can articulate our thoughts when we
exactly.
open up
Yeah,
that when we are open up what we are
hmm,
taught in English, we can
true.
articulate and express ourselves, and then this
Yes,
is big this is give a big confidence, I
true,
think.
true. True. At the same time, if somebody, compliments you, if somebody tells you, ma'am, I'm learning something from your videos or something, that's when you feel okay. Yes, there is somebody who is getting benefited from my videos. Let's make it more. Let's do something
Yes,
more beyond. That's how it, feels us.
yes. Actually, now
Yeah.
I'm feeling nervous, but I I
Oh.
teach myself how to handle this, how to go through the
Mm,
situation. So
mm-hmm.
have let me cry. Then after 10
Hmm.
minutes, after crying, I decided to overcome those situations. It's very important.
Huh.
So I stopped
Hmm.
and thinking what will do next.
Hmm.
Crying not the solution. So rather
Yes.
crying, have to think how to overcome that situation. So I
Right.
just called a doctor and whatever, and I make the uh,
Mm-hmm.
all the solutions. I made it. Then after 1 day or 2 day passed, I can feel the change. I could feel the changes how goes
Mm.
through the situation, and it will.
Yes.
I can manage those situations easily. If
Yes.
I'm crying,
Great.
I couldn't.
Hmm.
So
Yes. Obviously.
that is in Corona time. I learned the lesson. Don't cry.
Hmm.
Even some challenges comes in our
Yeah.
life. Have to
Yes.
overcome.
Even a lot of people. For a lot of people, it was a kind of lesson that the nature taught us, right? We
Yes.
lost our beloved ones, our near and dear ones, and people, neighbor people,
Yes.
and all. And we had to be
Yes.
strong enough.
Yes.
And we have families, and if we lose that, hope and all, we also be in trouble, right? So, yeah,
Yes.
it's a right thing that you did. Great.
The next question is
Mm-hmm.
I prepared actually these all
Yeah, no
questions I
problem.
prepared.
No
These
problem.
questions
Yeah.
actually I prepared for 1 month to ask to you. Actually, but we are cancelled at the meeting again.
Yeah, yeah.
So I opened
Even
the
my
diary.
shift timings have
Yes.
changed.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
The one is a little hypothetical questions.
Uh-huh.
If your friend visited your hometown, what would you what would you like to show them first?
First of all, I ask their priorities. What sort of things that they are interested in, right? For example, some people like visiting temples,
Yes,
if they are spiritual sort of
a
people, like
spiritual
if
way.
they're, yeah, if they're something
Some
atheist people,
people's
like,
only focused on
huh.
entertainment. Yeah.
Yeah, some people like like watching movies and going
Yes.
restaurants, something. Some like to visit some historical monuments, something, right? Parks and other things. Depends on that. I value their interest and the area of something that they are really into. Base of that, I would recommend them, oh, this is what we have, for example, temples, some historical monuments or something, if they are interested in watching movies. Base of
Mhm.
that, their interest, or my friend
Okay.
interest, in fact, to be precise, I try to go with that.
Okay,
If they
it's good
watch
thing.
everything, that's when I show them my village and surroundings and other stuff. Yeah.
Are you born and brought up in Hyderabad or Andhra
No,
Pradesh?
it's in Andhra Pradesh. Actually, I'm from a tribal family, tribal background. We
Okay.
reside. I mean, we live in hill areas because our
Mm-hmm.
forefathers they used to set up the villages and all in hill areas because we used to have a lot of sheep, cows, and all these. I mean, cattle and
Okay.
all. So for that, for grazing, we need to have food, water, and everything, right? So that's when
Okay.
our forefathers settle. And now, if you check any tribal people, they reside or they stay. Maybe in fact they live in hill areas.
Yes,
Because
yes.
of that
Yes,
reason, we
most of the
still,
yes.
yeah, yeah. That's how my yeah.
Okay.
It happened.
But you come you from that background, you be here. So it's a great achievement,
Yeah.
I would say.
Thank you.
Okay. And so do you believe those culture and traditions in your hometown that tribal there is, I think, in
Hmm.
tribal areas where they are committed lot of what traditional culture
Hmm.
and superstitions.
Some rituals we
I
follow,
don't
of
know
course.
actually,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I learned
We,
from history actually. That's why
yeah,
I'm
we do
asking.
follow. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
we do follow some traditions and rituals. In our community, we have two goddess. I mean, one god and goddess is called Sevalal Maharaj and Maremma. Uh, Sevalal Maharaj, he was a human being, but
Mm-hmm.
we just worship him as a god. In our community, they follow it. He was a
Okay.
person who fought for our rights. He wanted us to have a proper setup, proper village to live. We used to roam here and there. We used to sell salt and other stuff. We used to do business, right? We had no proper setup or place to live. So he
Mm-hmm.
wanted us to reside in one particular area and do the business, going from village to village. So
Okay.
because of that thing, and also he did a lot of good things for us, and
Okay.
we admire and we try to worship him every year. There is an event. That's when we devote and we worship and we offer some like
Okay.
cattle, sheep, and other stuff as part of offering thing to him, or respect or something. That's how it happened. And Maremma is goddess where he worshipped. Several Maharaj worshipped her, and because of that we put these two and we try to offer things once in a year.
It's great.
Yeah.
But
Hmm.
I think they are following lot of rituals.
Yeah,
That
like
is
black magic and all, we still have it. Sometimes I feel wonder. Yeah, if
actually
somebody
I
does something to you.
yes, I
Uh-huh.
watched those rituals and superstitions in Tamil cinema.
Ha ha ha.
That
Superstitions, yeah.
they are
Yeah.
given that calf or a god.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, which moment in your life do you feel proud? Make you that feel proud?
Hmm.
The which sorry once
Oh.
again, which
Hmm.
moments in your life made you feel proud?
Okay. Yeah, it's sort of, I'm not getting how to answer it.
Hmm.
See, for me, I take both positives and negatives in a equal way.
Okay.
If you ask me which moments I had really felt something proud of myself, I had
Proud
several
means
ones, but
because it's a very proud moment. I can say you are achieved uh, what diplomas and you're well
hmm,
educated from that
hmm,
background, and it's a good proud moment to your family, I think.
Yeah, they feel happy. But for me, in person, if you ask me, as
Mm.
you already asked, and I go on speaking on it and rechecking how I'm speaking on it. If I'm making any mistakes, how I can do that, and reading aloud. I read a lot of books, right, sometimes. And now these days I stopped because of that. I put it aside and I started connecting with people, making videos. So that's how I'm practicing that. And I used to read books and reading aloud. That also helped me. If people are not around, I just used to read. For example, I started in the very beginning in the paper, right? Till the end of that paper, I have to read aloud. If I go anywhere, if I make any mistake, any word pronouncing incorrectly, I have to do it from the beginning again. That's how I used
Okay.
to practice, so that
Oh,
I'll be very
great.
cautious about the pronunciation,
Yes.
vocabulary. I used to do that technique a lot of times. I think that helped
That's
me
a
to
good
have
technique.
spontaneity and
Yeah.
all.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, from
It was
because
like, yeah,
whenever comes when we comes from first and till
hmm,
last, that's concentration have to be still.
yes,
That is very
yes.
important.
I used to
But
punish
after,
myself. It's in a positive way, of course. That's how I used to practice.
eh, that's good thing. So
Hmm.
you motivate yourself to reading
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
to read,
I'm a
yes,
self motivator.
reading.
Yeah.
Which kind of books do you read? Fiction story or what?
I
Novels
prefer
or
non-fiction. I prefer non-fiction mostly. It's about business, about autobiographies, mostly spiritual. I do read, but it's not too much because I'm not into that. It's all about motivation, business, and all these stuff.
is motivation stories but
Yes, yes.
connected more in our behavior and
Yeah. If you want to read, try to read Ikigai and also The Secret Book. These two, and also from business perspective, Rich Dad Poor Dad. The very first book which read completely. It has around 200 plus pages, and I finished it within two
so
weeks or
you have a
something.
lot of patience and because interest you have interest
Uh-huh.
to read, that's why you
Yeah.
could finish those pages.
Hmm.
Actually,
Yeah, yeah.
actually, if I couldn't do that because I'm not
Hmm.
interested. While I am opening mm, that
Hmm.
books, I feel sleepy. I
It still happens with everybody, but yeah, again, it
but I
differs
know this
person
is
to
not
person.
good way. But this
Hmm.
is the right. Honestly, I'm speaking. Whenever I open the
True,
book,
true.
that is now I'm a homemaker. If I am,
Yeah.
if I was in student, I can read. I think. But
Hmm.
now a homemaker, I couldn't read. But so I used to listen a lot. That
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
helps me to improve English. So
Great.
whenever I get free time, I do listen podcast and conversation videos, and
Great.
now I'm watching spiritual
Hmm.
thoughts
Nice.
like how to remove negativity and how to keep our
Hmm.
mind positive way. That is
Great.
I like to watch those videos. Then
Great.
I might
Great.
put my full concentration on it and attentive on it. Then I got
Hmm.
okay. This is the sentence structure, and also I can learn this is the sentence
Uh-huh.
structure and
Uh-huh.
okay prepositions. And I
Yeah.
everything I watched, even I concentrated those sentences in 10 minutes.
Oh.
That I full
Hmm.
my concentration. I try to give 100% myself. Yeah.
Great, great. See, you don't need to learn much in single sitting or something. Even if
Yes.
you learn something little, if it makes you satisfied, that's enough.